Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful stitch. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art form that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a black piece of paper into a whole new world. With just a few strokes, you can create a delicate flowers and powerful ideas. This drawing is of a Stitch, a blue alien from a movie. Stitch has big ears, big eyes, and a wild smile. His fur is blue and fluffy. He looks mischievous but cute. The artist used bright blue color. Stitch is standing on two legs and has small, sharp claws. His mouth is open and he might be talking or laughing. The background is plain so you can see Stitch well. It's fun drawing that makes you happy. If you like blue alien, you will like this drawing. Thank you so much. You watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Thank you.